Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix can't activate Windows, so make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the search tab and search for CMD. Open the command prompt and run it as an administrator. After that, enter this command that I am typing sfc/scan now. Once you do so, the scanning will start and continue for a couple of minutes. After it completes, enter the following command and again wait. While it is completing, minimize it and run command prompt as an admin again. This time, enter the command slmgr.vbs/div. Then enter slmgr.vbs-ip then the product key. After that, enter slmgr.vbs-auto and your problem will be solved. You can see that my windows have been successfully activated. But if it persists, open CMD as an administrator again. Type in the following command. And your problem will be solved after a fresh restart. That's how you can fix can't activate Windows. Hope you liked this video. Thanks.